friend is really, really dramatic. So if I tell her there's a wolf spider, she'll get really angry. And she will freak out because there's a lot of wolf spiders around here. She's just cleaning her room. So watch. Hi.
Hi, I thought you weren't allowed in my house anymore.
What? Oh, never mind. You mean in your room? What?
Are you making another one of those freaking fail videos?
No.
Really?
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 Yes.
Really?
Yes. I'm not even
Positive about that? Because, I watched the face look kind of suspicious.
Okay. Oh my god! Sorry. It's not even on video, see?
Why is the red light flashing?
I don't know.
Alright, it's your iPhone.
Was this... I think this side of the room's dirty.
What do you mean? I just cleaned it.
Oh my god, there's a wolf spider! Just kidding. Here she comes. She's gonna get really mad.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.